Hey guys, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly that how you can trade higher time frame perspective to lower time frame and what criteria you should follow before to buy and sell. And this is a very important case study. You will learn all these things in a higher time frame to lower time frame and what you should do know before to buy and sell, and this is a very important. Now first of all, I'm going to switch here in a higher time frame perspective. First of all, I'm going to show you in a higher time frame, in a daily time frame, because this is a very important for you. This is our daily time frame structure in a Euro USD. As you can see, market momentum is completely bullish. If everything is bullish, then what you should do in this case? Basically, when market momentum is bullish, we are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement in a bullish market. If market momentum is bearish, we are also looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. So in this case, if I mark the structure, so as you can see, the previous structure was here. This was a previous higher high, and this one is our previous higher low. And why these are higher high and why these are higher low, let me show you exactly. And look at this one. This one is our higher high confirm. Why? Because the previous structure was here and broke this one and candle close of it. If price close of it, so this become our valid break of structure. So that's why this point become our valid break of structure, and this one is our previous higher high is here, right? Break of structure, market push downside, and market taken out the inducement. So generally when market taken out the inducement, our higher high confirm here. So in this case, this point our inducement, because this one is our first pullback which market taken out by this move, and then this higher high confirm here. Look at the left side, same thing happen here. And left side, this is our pullback here, and market taken out this pullback, and then our higher high confirm here. And where is our higher low? Because market momentum is bullish this point. Why? Because market closed our bit the previous high, and this is our lowest point after break of structure. So this become our higher low. Again, this become our higher high because market taken out the inducement, market push downside, and market again push upside. If break this one and close our bit, so this become our also break of structure right here. So where is our higher high? Higher high is generally this point. Why? Because market taken out the inducement, market must be taken out the inducement before to confirm higher high. This one is our first pullback, which is market must be taken out. If market taken out this one, then this higher high is a confirm here. So market at this point taken out the inducement, and we are looking for the buy. Why? Because market momentum is bullish, everything is bullish. We are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement or mitigate something, any order block, order flow, or fill imbalance. After taking out the inducement, you can see in this leg there is any unmitigated order block or not. Look at this one, everything, this one, this order block is mitigated by this move, and this side was mitigated by this candle, and this one is also mitigated here, this one is also mitigated. Everything is mitigated here in this case. So where is our PY and when we can expect next scenario? Look at this one, when everything is mitigated. For example, in this case, this one is our order flow. If everything is mitigated, there is no imbalance, there is no order block, in that case we can use shadow. Shadow means which taken out the liquidity, or there is long shadow. We can use those act like a PY in this case for the refinement purpose. So in this case, there is any unmitigated shadow here. You can see this shadow mitigated by this move, and this shadow mitigated by this move, and this shadow mitigated by this move. But look at this one, this shadow is still unmitigated here. So we can use this shadow as a PY if market tap here and we are looking here for the buy. Right. And also if you are selling here, in that case, for example, if you are selling after taking out this inducement, mitigate this PY, you can selling here, right? So at least you need to put your target this inducement, right? But same sell setup, if after taking out the inducement create any sell setup here, then you need to target this extreme PY. Why? Because price can be tapped here, and then we can expect bullish momentum to the upside because market momentum is a bullish here, right? So this one is our higher time frame PY, and now we are anticipating that market continue go higher in a bullish market. Now let's see in a lower time frame that what happening here. This one is our 15-minute structure. As you can see, market momentum is a various in a 15-minute, but price tap on your higher time frame PY in a daily time frame. But look at this structure here. But if you are thinking that which time frame you should follow at this situation, simply if you are day trader, then you have to follow the day trading time frame like 15-minute, 1 hour as a higher time frame, and 5-minute and 1 minute for the entry. Right, because when price tap on daily time frame or weekly time frame PY, then it's take a lot of time to create reversal to the upside or downside, right? 1 minute candle and 5-minute candle can't decide that where is market going on in a higher time frame perspective. So right now you can see this one is our structure here, and you need to mark your higher high and lower lows in this case. So look at this one. This one is our previous higher high, because market taken out this inducement and this become our higher low right here. Okay, and again market break this high and this become our valid break of structure here. Again what happened here, market again create higher high at this point, and then market push downside and market taken out the inducement. So where is our inducement? First inducement was created here to confirm higher high. Again what happened here, market taken out the inducement at this point. Why this is an inducement? Because this one is our valid pullback. Look at this one, previous candle low is broken, that means this is a valid pullback, and market pushed upside and finally market taken out the inducement. When market taken out the inducement, our higher high is confirmed here. In a bullish market, market pushed downside, and what happened at this point? If market close over it and break this high and close over it, this become our valid break of structure, but not able to go higher, and finally market break the main low. And when market break the main low and candle close below it, that's called chalk. This one is our change of character, and now market momentum is a shift bullish to bearish, and now we are anticipating if market taken out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm and we are looking for the sell. So same thing happen here, market push downside and market taken out the inducement at this point. And then what happened here, after taking out the inducement, first inducement create here and then market break this low here. So inducement technically here, like, so when market taken out the inducement, we are looking for the sell, and then we can expect that if market tap on your unmitigated shadow or PY, we are looking for the sell again. Then this one after taking out the inducement, our lower low confirm here at this point, and where is our lower high? Look at this one. Why? Because market momentum push downside and break this low, and this become our valid break of structure right here. Okay, market momentum is a continue pushing downside, and now we are waiting for to taking out the inducement to confirm lower low. So where is our lower low confirm here? Look at this one. This one is our lower low confirm here. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. So which point market taken out the inducement? Technically this one, and this one is a valid pullback, and we can mark this one is a valid inducement. Generally to confirm any higher high lower low, we can mark any minor and major inducement to confirm lower lows and lower high, right? So this one is our lower low, and after that what happened here, market create another lower high at this point, because this is our highest point after break of structure. So this point become our another break of structure right here. Okay, again push downside, and we need again inducement to confirm a lower low. So which point market taken out the inducement? Look at this one, look at this here. This one is our valid pullback here, and finally what happened here, market create lower low at this point because market taken out the inducement, market push downside, and what happened here, this become our another break of structure right here. Okay, so this one is our break of structure, and after this break of structure again we need an inducement, then we can confirm our lower low, and this point become our lower high. Let me mark this one, and again what happened here, we need inducement to confirm our lower low. So where is our lower low and where is our inducement in this leg? Because this is our current leg here, right? And this is a small pullback here. Why? Because the previous candle high is a sweep here, right? It means this become our valid pullback. So we can confirm this one is our valid pullback here. And where is our lower low? This point. Why? Inducement taken out, and after taken out probably we are looking here for the sell on unmitigated shadow, order block, or anything, right? And we can also sell here based on session timing, or so now this become our lower low. And again what we can expect, we can expect if market break this high and candle close of it. For example, this one is our previous higher high and close our it. So this become our valid break of structure. But in this case you can see this create equal high. Equal high means this high and this high value are similar. So what we can do in this situation, we can transfer this high to this high, right? Let me show you exactly what I mean here. I mean this one is our single leg here. Okay, if you are marking this one, so these are two high or similar. So what we can do in this situation, we can mark this is a single leg here and this one here like this. And if you are marking this one and like this, so both leg means equal, right? So we can use this one as a higher high just for clear confirmation. Okay, and this high transfer here to here. If sweep this high, this one is also transfer here to here. And if these are equal, so also we can transfer this high to here, right? And this is a lower low right here because inducement taken out, and then where is the inducement? This point become our inducement and this point become our valid break of structure if market break this low and candle close below it, right? So what happened here in this case, this one is just liquidity grab here because market not close below it. If market not close below it, so this is just liquidity grab here, and we are anticipating at this point in a lower time frame for the buy, right? So now market momentum is bearish, everything is a bearish, and now when we can buy and when we can sell in this situation, right? Everything is a bearish here, and we are anticipating if price taken out the liquidity or tap any unmitigated order block, then definitely we are looking for the sell. In this case, you can see here the previous structure was here. Look at this one, I'm talking about this one, right? This structure was here, and then what happened here? Market pushed downside and finally sweep this high and push downside. It means the previous structure liquidity grab here. Look at this one, I'm talking about this high, right? So if this high is a grab the liquidity, not close of it means liquidity already grabbed. If price came back on your unmitigated order block, then we can sell. I'm talking about this order block. Look at this one, right? Why? Because this high is a sweep here. This is a previous swing high, sweep by this move and push downside and mitigate this one, and we can sell here. If close of it, then what you should do in this case? You have to wait for it to get taken out the inducement. This high is taken out, and now market wait for taken out the inducement, mitigate this one, and then we are looking for sell. After taking out this inducement, mitigate here, switch here in a lower time frame confirmation, and then sell, right? So what happened here? Previous high sweep here and push downside, and it means the previous structure grab the liquidity and market create this order block, and we can sell here. Also, if you can see at this point, this is a single candle order block and we can sell here. This is a previous session high which grab the liquidity, and we can sell here based on single candle order block here. And a lot of members sell at this point right here. Okay, so what happened in this case? Everything is a bearish here. There is no bullish indication. Why? Because market momentum is completely bearish, and this is a just indication to the pullback, right? This is a not a strong indication to the upside. Why? Because the extreme PY is here. If price type here and create any chalk flip, then definitely we are looking for the buy because higher time frame PY type here, right? But there is no PY type here. Just grab the liquidity which gives a pullback to the upside and wait for to mitigation and taken out the inducement, then we can sell here. I want to mention one more thing here. If price close over it, just over it, right? Then what you should do in this case? Then you can also sell here in this case if market sweep this high, because this order block act like a SMT, smart money trap, and then we are looking for the sell in this case, right? Mainly you have to sell or buy after taking out the inducement, after grab the liquidity. So in this case market grab the liquidity, that's why we don't need to wait for inducement, and then we can sell here, right? So this is a first VY if price type here, and you have to switch here in a lower time frame, and then we can sell here. Okay, now I'm going to show you through bar play, then you can understand more better that how I catch these trade. In this case what happened here? Price type here and market push downside, and we need to wait for it to break this low, and then we can sell after mitigate your extreme or decisional order flow right here. Okay, because price type here and this is a very larger shadow, or you can say very larger order block. In that case you need to refine, or also you can wait lower time frame confirmation before the buy and sell. Okay, so if you are willing to sell here, also you can switch here in a order flow using higher time frame to lower time frame. So this is a 15-minute structure. So if you are willing to sell at this point, simply you can use 5-minute or 15-minute or 1 minute for the entry, right? But I'm using 15-minute as a higher time frame, then we need 5-minute and 1 minute. 5-minute, why? Because price tap on any PY, then you have to check your session timing, because sometime price type here taken out the liquidity previous session high or low, which is gives more additional confirmation before the buy or sell, right? So what happened here in this case? Look at this one. This one is a previous high. It means this one is our last buying momentum before this drop. First of all, this was our last buying momentum before this drop, but market pushed downside, not able to break this low. But in the next time, what happened here? Market create new high at this point. This one is our last buying momentum before this drop, and finally market break this low. So what happened here? This one is our order flow, this one. Why? Because market create to the upside, and then market push downside, and finally market mitigate this order flow, and then we are looking here for sell, right? This is the first PY when we are looking for sell. Okay, if you are thinking if price type here, then why are you not selling here? Look at this one. Why I'm not selling here? Look at this one. This is not a break of structure. This is one just liquidity grab here, right? It doesn't mean that market can be go higher. It means if market grab the liquidity, market continue go higher like this one, and candle close of it. In this attempt, market close of it, so this become our chalk. Market momentum can be changed to the upside, right? That's why I'm not taking risk here for the sell. This one is our PY, right? But we need more additional confirmation. That's why I'm taking this one. Lows are broken here. If market broke this low, for example, like here, so I'm interested here for sell, right? Because this one is a sweep here. If candle close below it, right, and candle close below it, and market taken out the inducement and then mitigate this one, then I'm interested here for sell, right? So what happened here? This is the extreme. So this one is our order flow. If price came back to the upside and mitigate this order flow, then I'm interested here for the sell. So what happened here? Price trap here, and now you can switch here in a 1 minute time frame, because this one is a 15-minute time frame order flow, and here we can sell here. If you are buying and selling, you have to take a decision based on order flow. Order flow gives more confidence before to buy and sell. In this case, you can see here so many unmitigated order block here and so many order flow right here. Okay, this one is our last buying momentum before the stop, like here. This one is an unmitigated order flow, market push downside, and then what happened here? Look at this one. This one is a next order flow right here, and the next one is here. So many unmitigated order flow here. So how you can deal in this situation? You have to wait for it to mitigate those order flow, and then wait for lower time frame confirmation, then you can sell, right? So when price tap here, you can see here at this point, look at this one. What happened here? This one is our internal structure. You can see price create a pullback here and then continue go higher, and this structure sweep here and push downside. So in this case, how you can deal? Let me show you through bar play. You can see here, this one is our previous pullback here, and which grab the liquidity. It means when market grab the liquidity, we can sell directly without any inducement, right? So when we can sell, in this case, look at this one. This one is our area when we are looking for sell. Look at this one. You can see here, this order block is mitigated here. It means there is a no valid order block. But look at this shadow here, right, which is unmitigated order block. Look at this shadow here, which is unmitigated shadow. It means we can take risk here at this point. Why? Because this one is an unmitigated shadow which grab the liquidity. If price came back to the upside, we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it for the safer side, almost 1.5 pip, right? And where is our target, and when we can set maximum target and like a partial? So at least you need to set target the previous main low. This one is our first target when we can take target, and also you can use maximum target this low, and the extreme low is this one. This one is our higher time frame PY. You can set as a maximum target. I will suggest you take partial based on previous recent higher low. So this one is our previous recent low is here, and you can set our target, and you don't need to set a larger target like 30 hour, 20 hour. 5 hour, between 5 hour to 10 hour is very enough, right? So this one is our target, and let's see what happened next here. Okay, market mitigate this one, and how you can add multiple position in this situation. Look at this one. This shadow mitigate your extreme PY. Just above it, there is no unmitigated order block, right? It means we can sell here if price came back this zone based on single candle order block. Look at this one right here, right? So if price came back to the upside and we are interested here for sell, and put the stop loss just of it, almost 2 pip, and then this one is our at least target, and major target you can set 15-minute main low, and this one is our final target, right? So let me show you. Okay, now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market push downside and market mitigate your unmitigated order block, and this one is our single candle order block. Look at this one. Why? Because this candle mitigate your extreme PY, push downside, and create single candle order block, proper imbalance, everything, right? And some people are struggling to find the single candle order block, how it works. You can see here, this one is a perfect example. Price mitigate your any PY in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, and then create imbalance, next candle close below it. So this become our valid and perfect example for this single candle order block. Okay, so now let's see what happened next after this one. Market push downside. Also you can see market also mitigate your shadow, right? But you don't need to wait for two shadow, because sometimes price not mitigate your shadow and market push downside, right? So this one is our next entry, and now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, in this case you can see here what happened here. Look at this picture very carefully. This shadow, this candle mitigate your this PY, right? It means this is our actual candle which mitigate your PY. It means if price came back this one again here like this, because this candle closed below it, if price mitigate this order block, and then we can sell here. And this one is also act like a single candle order block and put the stop loss just above it, and this one is a entry, right? Why? Because this one is a mitigation candle. So this become our third entry, and so this become our third entry right here, okay? And target will be same here, right? And why I'm showing these type of entry? Because if you miss first entry, for example, and you miss second entry, then you are able to catch next entry, okay? Because so many opportunity here. Look at this one, what happened, okay? Market push downside here, and then what happened at this point? Market mitigate your unmitigated single candle order block, and then market push downside right here, okay? But this entry is not much valid based on single candle order block. Why? Let me show you. Because the previous low is a broken here. If market break the previous low, the single candle order block entry is not exist, right? So you can sell here if price mitigate this order block here, and then simply you can sell based on your inducement and structure PY, then you can sell. But as per this single candle order block, this one is a not exist this entry. So now let's see what happened next here. After this one, market continue pushing downside, okay? Now I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame again. So this one is our 15-minute time frame, and let's see what happened next here. You can see this one is our next order flow right here, right? So this one is our next order flow. You can again sell here. Let me show you exactly. And also you can switch here in a lower time frame to see exactly that how you can scale next opportunity here. I'm going to switch here in a 1-minute time frame, because this one is our 15-minute time frame PY. Look at this one right here. This one is our 15-minute unmitigated order flow. Price came back to the upside, but market not mitigate your unmitigated order block or any PY, when we can take risk for the entry, right? So this one is our unmitigated order flow. In this case, what happened here? Price push down upside and mitigate your this order flow right here. But problem is here, there is no inducement create here. So if market not create any inducement, you don't need to sell or buy on your order flow, right? Because this one is our last buying momentum before this drop. So next attempt market push upside, but market need lower time frame inducement as well as before the enter. I'm not talking about higher time frame, right? So this one is our previous order flow is mitigate here, right? And this one is also mitigate here, and this one is also mitigate here. There is no unmitigated order flow in this case. But look at this one, there is so many possible unmitigated order block. This one is our unmitigated order block here, and the next order block is here. You can see the proper imbalance at this point. This one is the next order block, and this one is mitigate here, right? So basically we have a 2 order block here. So which order block you should take, and which order block you should take for the buy and sell? Look at this one. First of all, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement? Look at this one. This one is our inducement, because this one is our lowest point which broke the low right here, and this one is our recent pullback here. If market taken out this one and mitigate this one, and you can sell here after taking out the inducement and mitigate your order block after lower time frame confirmation. Also you can use single candle order block for the additional confirmation. For example, if price tap here, create here any chalk or flip anti module, you can sell here, right? And next possible entry here, if price tap here and create single candle order block, you can sell here, right? And then market again push upside and hit your stop loss, which is also fine, right? Because this one is a valid setup. If and then finally market mitigate your extreme PY at this point, and then market create chalk or flip single candle order block, you can sell here, right? So this is a possible scenario here on decisional and extreme PY, right? So let's see and wait for it to mitigate this order block, and then we can decide. Look at this one, market not mitigate your order block, so wait for it. Look at this one, still market not mitigate your order block here, okay? Finally market mitigate your order block. Look at this picture here very carefully. Market mitigate your order block, and then market create also single candle order block. The previous candle cover by the next candle, and this become our valid single candle order block right here, okay? And at this point we can sell here, we can take risk for the sell. And where is stop loss? Just above it. And where is target? Target the main low. Where is the main low? The previous low is here. And if you are willing to extend, as you know, the main, this one is our daily time frame PY, also you can set your target here, also, but you have to take maximum partial at this point because this one is our 15-minute main low here. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. And then okay, finally market trying to push downside, and then market push downside, and then let's see. Now you can see here this one is our another order flow here, means last buying momentum before this drop. It means if market mitigate this order flow, then we are looking for the sell, right? But look at this one. What is this? This one is a refinement zone of this order flow. Now you can see here price mitigate your unmitigated order flow here, and now you have to wait for it to candle a sweep here or any single candle order block, then we can take risk here for the sell, right? So look at this one. I'm going to show you by look at this picture here very carefully. This one is our order flow mitigate here. Why this one, right? This order flow mitigate here, and look at this picture at this point. This is a pullback, small push downside, and then finally sweep this high. It means this is an internal structure. I'm talking about micro structure because we are taking risk based on candlestick formation. The previous candle high sweep here, right? When market sweep the previous candle high, it means this is a indication that market grab the liquidity at this point, right? And we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it. And where is target or similar, the first target here and next target here, right? Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Market push downside, and then market create so many possible single candle mitigation entry here. Okay, and let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, so finally market broke this low. When market break the first recent low, you can put your stop loss on a break even point. I put my stop loss on break even point on both trade. And then what happened here after this one, market continue trying to go higher, and before market push downside, finally market trying to push downside, continue. And then what happened here, look at this picture. Market break this low, right? When market break this low, you can take maximum parcel, and then this one is nearest. Okay, finally market hit your final TP is here, right? If you are thinking that your trade hit on break even, no sir, this one is not break even. This one is a very close, right? So this one is a not hit break even. So I catch these two trade because that time I was not able front of the screen, so I missed these two beautiful trade, but I catch this one based on order flow, based on inducement structure, higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, you have to follow the same principle. When price tap on higher time frame PY, you can switch here in a lower time frame before to buy and sell. And this one is a very simple and easy to understand way, and you can trade simple, and you can also trade following same system, same rule. Simply when price tap on PY, then you have to wait for it to lower time frame confirmation. Before to marking higher time frame PY, you have to understand that there is any proper imbalance, there is a market inducement taken out or not. If market not taken out inducement, then you are buying or selling, it means you are part of liquidity. You have to wait for it to taken out the liquidity in a higher time frame, also in a lower time frame, before to marking any higher time frame PY. And when price tap on PY, then you have to switch in a lower time frame, then follow the same principle like chalk and flip, and also you can use single candle order block before to enter. So I hope this video help you a lot to understand that how you can maximize your profit, and how you can scale multiple position, and how you can mark your higher time frame PY, and how structure mapping, and also cover single candle mitigation. So this video definitely help you a lot. I'm sure you are enjoying our high quality content on YouTube. I hope this will help you a lot. If you are new, subscribe our YouTube channel and join our free Telegram channel. Link in description. Go and check out, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.